Want to access your Wi-Fi router settings straight from your iPhone? Here is the easiest way to do it. First, open the settings, then tap Wi-Fi. Now tap the little eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down until you find router. You'll see a number starting with 192. Tap and hold on it, then copy it. Next, open Safari, Chrome, or any browser you use. Tap the address bar, paste the number, and hit go. Boom, now you're on your router's login page. If you don't know the username or password, check the sticker on the back of your router. It's usually written there. Enter the details, tap Login, and now you can access your router settings directly from your iPhone. This can help you change your Wi-Fi password, improve security, manage connected devices, and even boost your internet performance. Follow for more iPhone tips and tech tricks. Like the video if it helped.